Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to delete messages for everyone in WhatsApp. We start by entering WhatsApp and we locate ourselves in the message that we want. After that, we keep that message pressed, and then we click on the top delete icon. After that, we click on delete for everyone. After this, we will see how our message has been deleted. Keep in mind that you have 2 days to delete the message for everyone after having sent it, and that it is possible that the recipient has already read your message before you delete it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.